Hi all. In this video, we discussed about the implementation of word count application using mapper and reducer on a single node cluster. So these are the instructions we have to follow to implement this one. So for the mapper and reducer word count application, we require the two Python files. That is a word count mapper and word count reducer is required, and the input file word.txt file is required. So first we wrote the word text file. After that, we wrote the word mapper. The name of the file I given as the wcmap.py. Here we are splitting the line into the words, and we are for every word we are assigning one value. In the with the help of the mapper, we can able to generate the key value pairs. For every word assign some value. And now we will have to write the reducer program, that is wcred.py file I got. In this, we are initializing each word with the current word, and we are counting the count of the word. If the word is repeating, we are incrementing the count. At the end, we are giving the information about the particular word, how many times it is repeated. So these three files are required to do this application, word count application in a single node cluster, that is a mapper, reducer, and word.txt file. So coming to the implementation, first we have to create a directory in the Hadoop environment using the Hadoop fs-mkdir, and my directory name is wordcount-py. So run this command in the command prompt. Before running this command, you have to verify that the Hadoop, all the daemons are working properly in your system. How can you verify that Hadoop is running properly in your system? By running the script of own.sh. After that, uh, start -all.sh. After that, check the domains available or not using the JPS. If all are getting proper demos, then you can create a directory Hadoop fs. No, initially we are verifying no directories are available in the Hadoop fs and -ls. Now I am creating a directory Hadoop fs-mkdir. The directory name is I am giving as a word count-py, and my mapper and the reducer I wrote in the wc-py folder, which is available on the desktop, ksr folder wc-py. Directory is successfully created in the Hadoop environment. Now one file word.txt is available in my local system. I want to copy that file into the Hadoop environment. First I'm verifying no word files are available in the word count-py folder, which is available in the Hadoop. Now I'm copying from the local system to the Hadoop environment. In the Hadoop environment, the directory name is word count-py. So Hadoop fs cop, uh, copy from local, the word.txt will be copied. After that, I am verifying that the copy is done or properly not using the Hadoop fs-ls command. So I want to verify the mapper and reducer are working properly or not. To verify that mapper and reducer functionalities in the local system, I am giving the input file, that is the cat word.txt, concatenated with the mapper program. We have to run the mapper, that's why cat word.txt concatenated with the python 3 wcmap.py. Python 3 is nothing but we are compiling the mapper.py. So for each in the mapper, for each word corresponding key value pair will be generated. Here it is the case sensitive. That's why capital BUS one, small BUS will be another word. Okay. Now we have to sort the words based on the first key. First key, these words are the key one and the values are K2, key 2. So we have to sort the words based on the key value 1. So that's why I'm giving the after the mapper concatenated with the sort K1. After that, I'm giving the reducer. Hadoop environment is in the Java, but whatever the code mapper and the reducer we wrote in the Python. So to for the compatibility, we have to add the jar file, streaming jar file. So to run the complete jar file, the command we have to give Hadoop jar followed by the streaming file, followed by the file wcmap.py, and that is used as a mapper wcmap.py. Another file wcred.py, which is using for the reducer, and the input file we are taking from the Hadoop environment. The directory is wordcount-py word.txt, that is the input file, and the output is we are creating a one more directory b2-test. So in the local environment, we successfully compile the mapper and the reducer. Now we have to run the Hadoop environment. So the complete command Hadoop jar followed by the mapper, reducer, and the input file and the output file we are giving. So it is done successfully. So if you want to check the directories, output directory, just give the command Hadoop fs-ls slash. The output will be available as the folder, the directory will be displayed. That is b2-test. The input is the available in the word count-py. The complete output will be available in the b2-test out directory. Final reducer output will be available in part-50 document. So whatever we got the output in the local machine, that is a reducer, same thing we get in the Hadoop environment. This is the local machine output, mapper and reducer. This is the Hadoop environment, mapper reducer, word count application. If you want to verify in the browser, HDFS browser, go to the localhost colon 9870. In the utilities, browse the Hadoop file system. You will get this browser directory. Here you will get the two directories are available, word count-py and b2-test. The output will be available in the b2-test directory. Test directory. The document is output document is part